Too much paint. Fuck. The brake caliper piston is not in great condition. I'm gonna remove it, look at it. The piston was completely stuck in the brake caliper. I managed to get it out. It's not in the best condition. The gaskets are completely gone. I've ordered a new piston and new gaskets, so I'm gonna clean this up and try to clean the slots for the gaskets, and I'm gonna paint it, and I think it will be okay. It's a lot of flaked off paint with powderish aluminium under. Boring stuff to try to get all this loose paint off.
It's been 4 years since I saw her face. If I remember correctly, she left in peace. So in between our thoughts and fears, we're still happy, but I need to declare I still care.
I didn't end up in a fight.
painted the motor brackets. The result was actually shit, so I will have to do it again. So now I'm just waiting for parts. The front forks are finished, painted, looks okay, happy with that. I'm waiting for new simmering seals and new dust covers and new progressive springs. I received those parts, it's ready for installing. The steering bearings are fine, just gonna put new grease on them and install it. They're good. I've refurbished brake caliper, waiting for new pistons and new seals. New cables and connectors are ordered and on its way. Diaphragms for the carburetor, it's ordered, waiting for that. New seals and bearings for both wheels. Pulling a bit to get the clutch, the lamels for the clutch. But I found springs, there are some delivery time for the lamels, so I'm gonna order that tomorrow. I think I will wait to refurbish the engine until I get all the new seals. The gear change seal, the drive shaft seal and the clutch rod seal. I also found new exhaust seals. So this video is a bit in between video, not so much has happened. I have to go on a job trip for a couple of weeks, but when I come home all the parts have arrived and I can do a lot more fitting with new parts and equipment on my next video.